नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। मैं जेवीएन डॉक्टर अनिल कुमार भोंगानी, एचओडी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रिपर्टरी, आज आपके सामने डिजिटल लेक्चर की सीरीज में एक नया लेक्चर प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। उम्मीद है कि आप सब अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में होंगे। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम मॉडर्न रिपर्टरीज पे डिस्कस कर रहे थे और अब तक हम सिंथेटिक रिपर्टरी और सिंथेसिस, जो कि मोस्ट मॉडर्न मोस्ट अपडेटेड रिपर्टरी है, उसको 3 पार्ट्स में पढ़ चुके हैं। टुडे we are going to study the 4th part of this synthesis, in which we will know about the special features of synthesis repertory. I hope you are all hale and hearty and happy. So this is our sole motto, that you may remain happy and learn various things, have the knowledge to practice homeopathy very well. So here we start our digital lecture. As we have already discussed that the era of modern repertories started in 1982, exactly when Barthel and Klenker published the second edition of synthetic repertory. Thereafter, in 1987, the 5th edition of synthesis was published by Frederick Stroyens, and in year 1996, again a big repertory, a big success in the history of homeopathy, that is the complete repertory, was published by Roger von Zandvoort. This is the flowchart of development of modern repertories. So what is the utility of modern repertories? You know it very well. It gives us data, all the available data, in very comprehensible way, as well as all the modern terminology, the clinical rubrics, the pathological rubrics, rubrics according to lab diagnosis in the repertorial data, which we can select. For example, the repertory like synthesis is having rubrics like hypertension, hypotension, agranulocytosis, nephrotic syndrome, various things, tumors. So today we will discuss some more special features of synthesis repertory. Before that, I will like to remind you that another good thing these modern repertories have added to our professional life is that they have cut short our work, that they are time saving. Within 5 minutes, we can repertorize 4, 5, 6, 7 rubrics and get the expected remedy, that is the simillimum. So now we start discussing the special features of synthesis repertory. In making this repertory more authentic, more up to date, Dr. Shravans formulated and added following plan and construction. जैसा क्या स्पेशल इस रिपर्टरी में है जो डॉक्टर श्रेंस ने डाला है, जिससे इसकी स्पेशल प्रेजेंटेशन आ जाती है. He has made additions after repeated checking. Synthesis contain repeatedly checked additions from standard homeopathic literature of Dr. Henneman, Kent, Herring, Allen, Borick, Nair. तो कोई कमी ना रह जाए, इसके लिए बारंबार उसको चेक करके फिर ही डेटा को इंक्लूड किया गया. Correction of Kent's repertory. These corrections are recognized by indicating K underscript. Example, delusion starve he must caliclore. It is corrected to delusion star he must calimure. And underscript herring 1 and K. Here K means correction. Here corrected source is from herring guiding symptom of materia medica. In this way, thousands of corrections have been made in synthesis. Symptoms are rewritten in clearly readable format. For example, pieces, sensation as if head would fall in when stooping. It is correctly written as pieces on stooping. Sensation as if head would fall in. That means sensation as if head would fall in pieces on stooping. It has to be read like this. Combined modalities are applied throughout synthesis, such as aggravation from cold wet weather. It would be searched as cold weather cold wet, but never under cold damp weather and damp cold weather. Clarification of ambiguous words. Ambiguous words have been clarified wherever necessary. For example, breast have been replaced by meme or chest, storm by stormy weather or thunderstorm. Creation of some rubrics. Some more important and useful rubrics are created so that more appropriateness of the meaning of the symptoms can be achieved, such as periodicity, children, revision of language, correction of some 19th century spelling have been made by American English spelling, like from anemia to anemia, diarrhea to diarrhea. Here, see, here it is A. Previously, A was HOEA was the correct spelling. Now it is HEA. Thesis, FAECES, has remained the same. No, not remained the same. It is FECES. All symptoms with ailments from have been grouped in separate sub-rubrics under the rubric ailments from. So these are the causative rubrics which are added in synthesis in the form of ailments from. This is very important. You must understand this point. Then aversion, desire, aggravation, amelioration related to food, they are placed in the food and drink in the chapter generals. Then several clinical rubrics are renamed. Clinical conditions are renamed according to modern disease names. For example, hay fever for coryza. Annual decubitus for skin becomes sore. So these clinical rubrics are renamed as per the modern terminology. All dreams are present in separate chapter, dream following sleep. So there is a separate chapter on dream. Similar rubrics are merged into one. For example, nose obstruction, alternating sides. It is corrected into nose obstruction one side alternately. So similar rubrics are merged into one. Use of leading words. Leading words have been placed in front of each level, and the alphabetical sorting were corrected accordingly. Example, in bed become bed in. As if frozen became frozen as if. So this is use of leading word. So leading word has been placed in front of each level so that it becomes the keyword and easy to find. Formation of complete and clear symptoms. Insufficiently clear symptoms became much more completed on the basis of knowledge of materia medica, like cough, sulfur fumes, or vapors, sensation of aggravates, has become now cough, sulfur fumes, or vapor, cough aggravated by sensation of. So it is, we will read it like this: cough aggravated by sensation of sulfur fumes or vapors. So this is the right repertorial language. So this correction of language has been made. Then use of more comprehensible words, seldom used words were removed, like dipsomania became alcoholism. So this is how comprehensible words were used. Childbed became the delivery after. New standard list of remedy abbreviations. A new standard list of remedy abbreviation is presented. Many new remedies have been added. All the abbreviations of following the same rules used by Kant. So a standardized list of abbreviations have been given in this repertory. Then new standard list of author abbreviations is also given. Then index of important changes and corrections have been added. All changes have been annotated with great care in order to allow verification. Thousands of references and synonyms have been incorporated where a change was made to well rubrics or remedies. When it was not possible to indicate the change, the correction was mentioned in the index of important changes and corrections, which can be found at the end of the repertory. So in index, those things are found of which the corrections are still pending. Some special features of the chapter Mind. More rubrics and medicines are added in this chapter. About 529 rubrics were there in Kant, whereas in synthesis it is 848 in the Mind chapter. The following rubrics are added. Example: ailments from anger, ailments from bad news, ailments from disappointment, ailments from indignation. So these are very important rubrics. That is emotional or mental etiological rubrics. Then animal love for animals like cats, dogs, love of animal for dogs, it is Iphusa. For pet dogs, it is Medorinum, Nattermure, and Podophyllum. Love of animals, children in, it is Medorinum. Behavior problems, children in, like destructiveness, disobedience, insolence, restlessness, rudeness, they are also mentioned. It's very important rubrics nowadays. Businessman, worn out businessman, suited to. ऐसा बिजनेसमैन जो कि बहुत चिंताजनक रूप से हेल्थ गंवा बैठा है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने बिजनेस के बारे में बेचैन रहता है, तो ऐसे बिजनेसमैन के लिए देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन दैट इज कैलकेरिया, कोका, कैलिफॉस, नक्सोमिका. Then some special features of generals chapter. In Kant's repertory, there are 245 rubrics in generalities, whereas in synthesis, it is 780 rubrics in the generals. So there's very important comparison. It is almost 3 times. in synthesis and almost 2 times in mind chapter. So the following exclusive rubrics are there in generals in synthesis. It is food and drinks, which contain all desire aversions. Then rubrics like acetonemia, acidosis, acromegaly, adrenal failure, agranulocytosis, Alzheimer's, arteriosclerosis, Down syndrome, leukemia, poliomyelitis, polycythemia, tuberculosis, varicose veins. So all these rubrics are mentioned in generals. Now, what are the advantages of synthesis repertory? क्या फायदे हैं हमें इसको यूज करने के? आप देख ही रहे हैं कितने फायदे हैं, कितने ज्यादा इसमें क्लिनिकल रूब्रिक्स आपको दिए हुए हैं, किसी अन्य रिपर्टरी में आपको नहीं मिलेंगे ये. देखिए जनरलिटीज में 3 गुना रूब्रिक्स हैं कैंट से, माइंड चैप्टर में 2 गुना रूब्रिक्स हैं माइंड कैंट रिपर्टरी से. So advantages. This repertory is based on Kantian philosophy, so it is very easy to use because it is based on very much known Kantian philosophy. So it is very easy to use. Everyone is acquainted with this philosophy, the working method. So no special training is required. The plan and construction is based on Hahnemannian schema. That is, from head to toe, the anatomical classification. Many medicines are there in synthesis than the previous repertories. Many more. Various new medicines are added. Various new rubrics are added. Old rubrics are verified and upgraded. All materials are collected from reliable sources, and for every new edition, references are provided. So the authentication of every edition is taken care of. You will find the source of each and every edition. So it is one of the authentic repertories. It is rich in cross references. It will lead to the rubric exactly which you want for your case. The method of repertorization, it follows Kant's method. Constant updation is happening in this repertory because of this software version day by day. And this is the beauty of this repertory. Then standard format is formed while constructing this repertory. जब इस रिपर्टरी को बनाया गया तो स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन हुआ. रिपर्टरी सब्जेक्ट का ही स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन यूं हो गया कि जो लिस्ट ऑफ ऑथर्स, लिस्ट ऑफ रेमेडीज, उनके क्या एब्रिविएशंस यूज किए जाने हैं, वो सब रिपर्टरीज के लिए एक जैसे फॉर्म कर दिए गए. कैंट रिपर्टरी जो कि मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक वन है, द मोस्ट रिलायबल वन है, उसको एक्सपांड कर दिया गया. आज तक का सबसे एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म, और उसके जितने भी कमियां हैं उसको पूरा किया गया. मॉडर्न प्रैक्टिस के अनुसार अपडेट किया गया. मॉडर्न रूब्रिक्स भी डाले गए. पैथोलॉजिकल, क्लिनिकल रूब्रिक्स, दे वर एडेड. Etiological rubrics, even concomitants you will find, and there will no need of using any other repertory if you are having this synthesis. And on the other hand, if you are having software, it is a golden chance, a golden thing you have got. You can tackle your cases within minutes just by a single click to get the repertorization with good analytical tools of the repertorial result and good search tools. You reach to the even rare rubrics with its user-friendly search engine. New provings are being incorporated in this repertory. New rubrics are created, as in chapter of generals, rubrics on different pathological conditions, poisonings, complexion, children complaints, physical makeup, vaccination after laboratory findings, they are given. Then another beauty, that rubrics on moon phase, periodicity, family history and personal history even you will find here, which are very unique to this report. And the limitation, there are no drawbacks of this repertory except that the data of the new living authors need to be authenticated. So this was all in synthesis repertory. So today we have undergone all the data, especially the special features of synthesis. So I hope you will be able to use this repertory with ease. I would like to discuss a small case before we leave, how to clear or how to repertorize from this repertory. We had a case in which the person complained of that he has the symptoms, that is pain in abdomen in pinpoint areas in the epigastric region, which is sign of peptic ulcer, and they are since he is having some financial loss in his business due to persistent state of anxiety, worry of this financial loss. So this was the ailment from that the patient is so much thinking about the loss in the business he has got a few months back and is not able to forget, is not able to move ahead, and he's having ulcers in his stomach, pain in pinpoint areas, and these pain are aggravated after eating, and the pain is of stitching type. Along with this condition, the patient is also having vertigo or vertiginous feeling whenever the pain is aggravated. So now in this case, you are having a peculiar sensation, a peculiar locality, a peculiar concomitant, that is vertigo, and the ailment from also. On these basis, and a pathological or a clinical rubric, that is peptic ulcer. On this basis, otherwise, you must have selected BBCR or Boger's repertory. But synthesis repertory covers scope of all repertories in itself. Here you can find ailments from in mind chapter. And what will be the rubric? What will be the rubric? This you have to tell. In then this is the assignment at the end of this lecture, that you have to find the rubrics from the symptoms which I have told you just now about the case. The case of peptic ulcer or APD, having pinpoint pain in epigastrium, sticking type of pain is there, and along with pain there is vertiginous feeling. The pain is worse by eating or after eating, and the thermals of the patient is that the patient is chilly type. So these are the main symptoms, and the complaints are worse since after loss in business, and the patient is thinking much about that loss in business, that financial loss, that is the ailment from. You have to repertorize the case from synthesis repertory and report us back what are the group of remedy which you get, and what remedy will you prescribe and why. So this is the question, a practical question or a practical example from today's lecture. But I think this is all for the day. Thank you all for patient listening. See you again with a new lecture. Take care of your health. So see you again very soon. Thank you all.